Humans are capable of some extreme feats, but we can do so much more when we're giving a little mechanical boost from these 9 unbelievable human-powered machines. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Skeletonics. If you've ever wanted an exoskeleton suit of your very own, Skeletonics has you covered. Their suit costs $93,000 and weighs in at 88 pounds. They're also 9 feet tall and doesn't actually make you faster or stronger, but it's a pretty nifty proof of concept that can actually be worn. It currently only lets you walk around, along with controlling the arms and fingers. But we're sure that future suits will have plenty of other impressive capabilities. The team wasn't really trying to create anything useful and only wanted to develop something entirely unique, which they pulled off brilliantly. They envisioned the suit being used for good old-fashioned fun or to impress onlookers at theme parks or corporate promotions. Snowbird. First conceived when they were students at the University of Toronto, the Snowbird has become an obsession of the founders of Aerovelo. The Snowbird is their first fully realized design and aims to push the boundaries of human-powered flight. They first started designing the Snowbird in 2006 and improved their construction techniques over the following 2 years. They began building the craft in 2008, and their first flight tests took place in October of 2009. Now well on its way to becoming an actual aircraft, the Snowbird has a total span of 32 meters and weighs only 44.7 kilograms when it's not carrying a human operator. It can fly at a speed of 25.6 kilometers per hour, which isn't lightning fast, but is still impressive nonetheless. The craft uses flappable wing motion to move itself through the air, assisted by the human passenger. Each stroke of the wings requires a pilot to execute a leg press motion, which then pulls down on wires connected to the main spar. This spar has no hinge at all and flexes to produce a flapping motion. Built out of carbon fiber tubing, along with foam and wood, the aircraft achieves thrust by angling the wings. LapaFit. LapaFit is the world's first treadmill-inspired electric walking bike and allows you to move a lot faster than you would be capable of if you were just getting around by foot. An average walking pace of 3 miles per hour is enough to propel the bike along at 20 miles per hour. The 960 watt-hour LG cells that power the 350 watt Bafang engine allow you to travel up to 50 miles on a single charge. With 5 gears letting you find a speed that you're comfortable with, pretty much everyone can use the LapaFit easily. When you're ready to go, all you have to do is hold the auto button to engage the treadmill, hop on, and start walking. Standard bicycle handbrake levers and disc brakes made slowing down a cinch, and the ride is amazingly smooth, even on somewhat rough terrain. Drummy. A foot-powered washing machine, the Drummy is amazingly unique. It's compact and easy to take with you everywhere or fit into any storage space. It's perfect for camping or other off-grid living arrangements and is teeny tiny. The Drummy stands 16.4 inches tall and is 19.4 inches long and is only 15.7 inches wide. It's designed to allow you to easily tackle up to 2 kilograms worth of laundry in only 5 to 10 minutes. The handle can lock down during use, and the removable drum lets you clean up with minimal fuss and bother. The Drummy is perfect for people looking to reduce their carbon emissions and uses no electricity at all. Using your foot to depress the Drummy's pump is all it takes to spin dry your clothes after they've been washed in under 30 seconds. You could then remove them and hang them up to finish the dry cycle. Elf. The Elf is the pride and joy of organic transit and is an amazing electric assist vehicle. It lets riders pedal along as they please, with an onboard electric motor providing additional boost power when needed. You can let the motor do all the work or keep it off entirely when it's not required. The Elf has a top speed of only 20 miles per hour on a flat surface when users opt to only use the motor, but pedaling at the same time can increase its speed to over 30 miles per hour. The Elf is legally designated in the same category as regular bicycles and complies with all applicable federal safety regulations. The contraption can fit a rider and a passenger comfortably and is specifically designed to help riders take on steep hills with no issue at all. One 16 amp hour battery will let you travel between 20 and 45 miles on a single charge, based on external factors. Two 16-amp batteries can fit into the Elf's battery compartment at the same time, effectively doubling how far it's able to go without having to charge them back up. The Elf also has a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and battery packs can be charged up via a wall outlet in 2.5 to 4 hours, tops. Strand Beast Bicycle. This nifty invention is powered by the wind and includes over 400 parts to make it work properly. The Strand Beast is fully rideable, but isn't the most efficient cycling machine. That's because it was created by a Dutch artist just to prove that he could do it, and didn't take speed or usability into account. As the bike is pedaled, the rear legs move along with the front wheel, giving onlookers the impression that it's walking down the road. We don't suggest buying this bike for your regular commute, but if you want to turn some heads at the beach during your day off, the Strand Beast bicycle is a stylish way to do so. ETA Speed. Another creation from Aerovelo, the ETA Speed Bike is the fastest human-powered bike on Earth and has broken all sorts of records since it was first prototyped. Its top speed is 144.17 kilometers an hour and weighs only 25 kilograms. The shell is made from a pre-preg carbon honeycomb sandwich design, and the frame is all wet-lay carbon fiber to help keep the weight down. The tires are ultra-thin 650cc cylinders, and the rider inside the machine uses dual SD cameras that project visuals to screens with additional on-screen data displays. Everything about the ETA Speed Bike is totally customized, and it was designed to destroy land speed records with ease. Getting up to those speeds requires long, straight, and flat roads, with the test track being 5 miles long. Riders aren't able to maintain its top speed for more than 5 minutes at a time, but can easily maintain speeds of around 100 kilometers an hour with minimal effort. Pod Ride. An all-weather, four-wheel e-bike that looks like a car, the Pod Ride lets you cycle anywhere you like while improving rider safety. It's also cheaper than driving and much better for the environment. The electric motor lets you adjust the level of assist and climb hills without breaking a sweat, all with room for a passenger or things like groceries. It's fully weatherproof and can even maintain superior handling on dirt roads. The electric motor is intended to support the rider and assist them when the going gets tough. Coming in at 196 centimeters long, 75 centimeters high, and 144 centimeters tall, it's a relatively compact vehicle, and the 250-watt mid-drive electric motor is impressive, but is only really meant to act as a pedal assist device. The motor maxes out at 25 kilometers per hour, but riders who want an extra kick can pedal harder to go faster. The company is also looking into adding a 500-watt motor that also has a throttle mode with a max speed of 32 kilometers per hour. You can easily install more than one battery in the bike, and each battery has a range of around 60 kilometers on a single charge. Joystick. The Joystick Bike Kit allows anyone to build a two-wheel bike that's easy to steer with an attached joystick. The ergonomic form lets riders sit back and relax while doing their thing, easing strain on their back. These bikes are amazingly comfortable to ride and aren't all that difficult to build with a bare minimum of engineering expertise. It's easy to steer the bike, and it responds amazingly well to driver input, being built entirely from salvaged parts. It's powered by an electric motor that's controlled with a button on the joystick. It can get up to 60 miles per hour in almost no time at all, and can travel 25 miles on a single charge. The bike is also fitted with pedals, so riders can continue their trek even after the battery has died. And that's the 9 unbelievable human-powered machines. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.